Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be swatching for you the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This also has really large pans in it like some of their other palettes do. It has 6 shimmery shades and 3 matte shades down the bottom. Some beautiful bright pops of color here with this shade here and this shade here, and a little bit more neutral shimmery shades there. So there's also one really nice shade here that can be used as a highlight, and the 3 shades here that you can use for shading and dimension and deepening up any eyeshadow look. So without further ado, I'm going to swatch this palette for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and let's just jump straight into it. So you guys, those are the swatches in the Saharan 2 palette. The matte shades I found are a little bit chalky and dry, a little bit more difficult to build up, so it takes a bit more time to build up and get to that desired opacity, but that's okay. They are very pigmented still. However, the metallic shades as well, I would recommend applying them over a sticky base or even applying them wet, but overall the colors are bright and vibrant and beautiful. Again, it just takes a little bit of building up to get the desired opacity with these shades. This palette is available on the Juvia's Place website. You can go check it out if you so wish. I also have a whole playlist in the description box using all the Juvia's Place palettes, so go check that out if you would like. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!